Elevate your podcasting game. Adobe's AI audio recording and editing transforms content creation. Are you a fan of podcasts? If so, you're going to love what Adobe has in store for you. The tech giant has unveiled an exciting new feature, AI audio recording and editing, all on the web. Say goodbye to complicated software installations and hello to a seamless podcasting experience. Gone are the days of struggling with clunky interfaces and tedious editing processes. With Adobe's AI-powered audio recording and editing, you can now create professional-sounding podcasts right from your web browser. This groundbreaking technology takes the hassle out of podcast production, allowing anyone with a story to share to become a podcasting pro. So how does it work? It's pretty simple, actually. All you need is a microphone and an internet connection. Navigate to the Adobe Podcast website and you're ready to go. With just a few clicks, you can start recording your audio content. The AI system can even automatically remove background noise and enhance the audio quality, giving your podcast a polished and professional sound. The editing process is just as easy. Adobe's intuitive interface allows you to trim and arrange your audio clips effortlessly. Need to remove an or a long pause? No problem. The AI system can identify and eliminate these moments, saving you time and effort. And if you want to take your podcast to the next level, you can add music and sound effects with just a few clicks. One of the most impressive aspects of this new feature is its collaborative nature. With the web-based platform, you can easily collaborate with others on your podcast. No more passing files back and forth or dealing with compatibility issues. You and your team can work on the podcast simultaneously, making real-time edits and additions. This feature allows for seamless teamwork and eliminates the need for long email chains or confusing group chats. But what about security and privacy? Adobe has thought of that too. The web-based platform encrypts all communication to ensure your audio files and personal information remain safe. You can rest assured knowing that your creative content and sensitive data are protected. The convenience of the web-based platform isn't the only thing that sets Adobe's AI audio recording and editing apart from the competition. The AI technology itself is top-notch. The system is constantly learning and improving, becoming smarter with each use. This means that over time, the AI system will be even better at recognizing and enhancing audio content. Furthermore, the AI technology is compatible with a wide range of languages and accents, making it accessible to podcasters from all over the world. It's a truly global solution for content creators, allowing them to reach audiences far and wide. So whether you're a seasoned podcaster or just getting started, Adobe's AI audio recording and editing feature is a game changer. This innovative technology takes the complexity out of podcast production and puts the power of professional audio recording and editing in the hands of anyone with a story to share. With its web-based platform, collaborative capabilities, and top-notch AI technology, Adobe has revolutionized the world of podcasting. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to unleash your creativity and start podcasting like a pro.